looking at embryonic stem cell research. How are we going to talk about this? Again, the basic principle, any research that results in the destruction of an embryo is gravely immoral. It's murder. We are not against stem cell research. We are against embryonic stem cell research. And because it destroys human life. And the great news is the science actually backs it up. Embryonic stem cell research, embryonic stem cells, they try to think that this is going to be the great cure, but what happens is they're so pluripotent, they can become so many things so quickly that they often become cancerous. Whereas adult stem cells have actually benefited the treatment of diseases. Actually, when last I checked, or the last numbers I could find, was actually adult stem cells have benefited in the treatment of 73 diseases, whereas embryonic stem cells, big fat 0. And it's not necessary. You can get these types of pluripotent stem cells from the umbilical cord or from placenta, these types of super pluripotent stem cells. You don't need to destroy human life to get them. And I love the fact that our science always backs up our faith. We take a very strong stance in the Catholic Church about issues of life, and we have the science to back it up. We take a very strong stance against in vitro fertilization, abortion, contraception, and we have the fertility care to deal with it. We have a very strong stance against embryonic stem cell research, and the science actually backs it up. Adult stem cell research is the wave of the future. But we can't begin because human life is disrespected. There's this kind of evil that's kind of taken over the minds of people. They think, no, I got to do this. I got to go this route. It's not work. It's not.